Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stellar Grills and Chills, y'all. Stellar Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. Scallop potatoes, y'all. Oh my goodness, they cheesy and good. So we gonna start off by cutting our potatoes on this mallet at the number 3 setting. And we gonna cut them straight into some water. Now once we get our potatoes cut up, we gonna go ahead and rain on them with a little bit of salt, about 2 tablespoons. And we gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then we gonna go and pour that water off. Rinse our potatoes. And go ahead and get us some fresh water in there. So let's get this on the stove. Bring it up to a boil. Now once we bring this up to a boil, it's gonna boil for about 5 minutes. You don't need no more than 5 minutes. And then we gonna get it off the heat. Now while we waiting on our taters to cool, we gonna go ahead and fry our bacon. Oh yeah. We gonna have some bacon on here, y'all. Gotta have a little bacon. Now once our bacon is done, we gonna get it out. And we gonna add us 3 tablespoons of butter to that same pan that our bacon came out of. Using that bacon grease too, y'all. We're gonna give that a stir. Then we gonna add a 1/3 cup of flour. What we doing now here, y'all, is called making a roux. So we gonna mix this up really well. Now what we looking for here, we're trying to get the proper color. We want like a, what color would you call that? I guess like a caramel color. Then once we get our caramel color, we're gonna add up some beer. Now we're gonna add this whole can, but we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Bringing it down, whisking it, bringing it down. You know, cause we want that extra flavor, y'all. That extra flavor kick. Once it get down far enough, we're gonna go ahead and add some more beer, y'all. Go ahead and get our whisk back in, and we're gonna keep whisking this until we feel like it's right, y'all. Cause we want it thin, but we don't want it too thin, you know? We want it like a good cheesy consistency. So once we get the right consistency, we're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream. Now, you don't have to use heavy cream. You can use milk at this point. But I'm using heavy cream. Then we're gonna rain down on it with some cheddar cheese. Oh yeah. And you know I gotta go extra cheesy. Wifey gotta have that cheese. Now we gonna whisk that together. Oh my goodness, look at that cheese, y'all. Look at that cheese. Now that's a cheese sauce, y'all. That's a cheesy sauce. So let's go ahead and build, y'all. Let's start building our potatoes. First we need to set our oven for 350 degrees. And then we're gonna spray our pan. Now this is a small. I think the smallest skillet that they make out of cast iron. And this is what we're gonna build our dish in. So we're gonna start with a layer of tater. Then we're gonna come in with some bacon. Then we're gonna come in with a little bit of that cheddar cheese. And now it's time for that cheese sauce, y'all. That cheese sauce. Now all we gotta do is repeat. And we're gonna keep repeating this until we get to the top. Now once we get to our top layer, we just gonna add in all our bacon, all the bacon we got left. We gonna go ahead and throw it on. And of course we gonna add some more cheddar cheese to the top. Now after being in the oven for about 30 minutes, this is what we're looking like. Now of course, the cooking time may vary depending on how thick your pan is. But 30 minutes is a good rule of thumb to go ahead and check it. But look at this, y'all. Don't it look good? I had mine with some fried shrimp. Oh yeah. It was tasty too, y'all. Tasty. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.